What do you do on your weekends? Have you considered making small wood furniture and wood decor projects? These projects could be completed on a budget within a short period of time and with limited tools. Engaging in the creation of small wood furniture and decor pieces as weekend projects offers an array of benefits that enrich both the artisan's life and their surroundings. This pursuit combines creativity, craftsmanship, and practicality, allowing individuals to transform their weekends into productive and fulfilling experiences. Whether it's a simple shelf, a decorative item, or a functional piece, crafting with wood can be a rewarding endeavor that provides numerous advantages. One of the primary benefits of making small wood furniture and decor pieces is the opportunity for creative expression. Each project starts as a blank canvas, allowing artisans to explore their ideas and bring them to life. This creative freedom fosters originality and encourages individuals to experiment with different designs, finishes, and techniques. The ability to infuse personal style into each piece not only enhances the enjoyment of the crafting process, but also results in unique items that reflect the artisan's personality and vision. This sense of creativity can significantly enhance overall well-being, as it provides an outlet for self-expression. Hello there, welcome to our channel. Today we will show you a collection of small wood furniture and wood decor project ideas you can make in a weekend. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. We post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on a daily basis. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor, and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. In addition to fostering creativity, woodworking promotes problem-solving skills. Each project presents unique challenges, whether it's figuring out the best way to join pieces, choosing the right materials, or overcoming design obstacles. Navigating these challenges requires critical thinking and adaptability, as artisans must find solutions to ensure their projects are successful. This continual process of learning and overcoming obstacles builds resilience and confidence, qualities that are beneficial in various aspects of life. The skills developed through woodworking can be applied beyond the workshop, enhancing one's ability to tackle challenges in everyday situations. Making small wood furniture and decor pieces also allows for the development of practical skills. Engaging in woodworking requires the mastery of various techniques, from measuring and cutting to sanding and finishing. By honing these skills, artisans gain a deeper understanding of the materials they work with and how to manipulate them effectively. This hands-on experience not only enhances craftsmanship, but also builds a sense of pride in the quality of one's work. Over time, as individuals refine their skills, they can take on more complex projects, further advancing their woodworking capabilities. The physical benefits of woodworking are notable as well. Working with wood involves a range of movements, from lifting and carrying materials to using hand and power tools. These activities promote physical fitness and coordination, as they require strength, balance, and fine motor skills. Regular involvement in woodworking can lead to improved overall health, enhancing muscle tone and endurance. Additionally, the act of creating something with one's hands provides a fulfilling form of exercise that can contribute to a healthier lifestyle. This physical aspect of woodworking can be particularly appealing for those who may spend most of their weekdays in sedentary jobs. Engaging in woodworking projects can serve as a therapeutic outlet, providing a welcome escape from the stresses of daily life. The focus required in crafting allows individuals to immerse themselves in the creative process, promoting mindfulness and relaxation. The rhythmic motions of cutting, sanding, and assembling can be meditative, allowing artisans to enter a state of flow where they are fully present in the moment. This immersion can lead to reduced anxiety and improved mental well-being, making woodworking a productive way to unwind and recharge during the weekend. The emotional rewards of creating small wood furniture and decor pieces are profound. Each completed project represents a labor of love, showcasing the artisan's dedication and skill. The sense of accomplishment that comes from finishing a piece can be incredibly satisfying, boosting self-esteem and fostering a positive self-image. For many, woodworking becomes a source of joy and fulfillment, contributing to a greater sense of purpose in life. The ability to create something beautiful and functional provides a unique satisfaction that transcends monetary rewards. Moreover, making small wood furniture and decor pieces fosters a sense of connection to tradition and craftsmanship. Many woodworking techniques have been passed down through generations, and by learning and practicing these skills, artisans become part of a rich legacy. This connection to the past can be deeply meaningful, as it fosters a sense of belonging and continuity. Additionally, the appreciation of craftsmanship can lead to a greater respect for the artistry involved in creating handmade items, promoting a culture that values quality and authenticity. The versatility of woodworking projects allows artisans to explore various styles and techniques. This diversity keeps the craft interesting and engaging, enabling individuals to discover their strengths and preferences. By experimenting with different approaches, woodworkers can develop their unique styles and find their niche within the woodworking community. This exploration not only enhances the overall experience, but also encourages continuous learning and growth, as artisans seek to expand their skills and knowledge. Making small wood furniture and decor pieces can also foster a sense of community and connection. Participating in local craft fairs, workshops, or online forums allows artisans to engage with others who share their passion. These interactions can lead to valuable friendships, mentorships, and collaborations, enhancing the overall experience of woodworking. Sharing knowledge, techniques, and inspiration fosters a supportive environment that encourages growth and creativity. This sense of belonging can be particularly beneficial for individuals who may feel isolated in their craft. The financial aspect of creating small wood furniture and decor pieces can also be appealing. While the primary motivation for many is not profit, the potential to sell handcrafted items can provide an additional source of income. By participating in local markets or online platforms, artisans can showcase their work and reach a broader audience. This entrepreneurial aspect of woodworking can be empowering, allowing individuals to turn their passion into a viable business. The ability to generate income from weekend projects provides a sense of security and stability, enhancing overall financial well-being. Additionally, making small wood furniture and decor pieces can promote sustainability and environmental consciousness. Many woodworkers prioritize using reclaimed or sustainably sourced materials, contributing to environmentally responsible practices. This commitment to sustainability resonates with consumers who value eco-friendly products, enhancing the appeal of handmade items in the market. By embracing environmentally conscious practices, woodworkers can attract a customer base that aligns with their values, further enhancing the marketability of their creations. The act of creating small wood furniture and decor pieces can also lead to innovation and experimentation. Each project provides an opportunity to explore new ideas and techniques, encouraging artisans to think outside the box. This creative exploration can lead to unexpected discoveries and unique products that stand out in the marketplace. As woodworkers push their creative boundaries, they may find new methods or designs that resonate with customers, ultimately increasing sales and recognition. Well, dear viewers, there you have them. Our hand-picked small wood furniture and wood decor project ideas you can make in a weekend. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comment section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.